Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for insightful product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of birthday party supplies with the best Verano Sin Ti cake topper available in the market. Are you ready to make your little one's birthday bash an unforgettable event? Look no further than the taimowei 25PCS birthday party supplies. This fantastic set includes everything you need to create magical memories for your child's special day. Let's unwrap the magic. Inside the package, you'll find one big, happy birthday cake topper and 24 adorable cake toppers, all meticulously designed to add charm and joy to your celebration. And here's the best part. These party supplies are crafted from 100% safe and environmentally friendly materials. So, not only are you creating lasting memories, but you're also doing your part for the planet. Assembly is a breeze. Spend some quality time with your little one as you set up these delightful cake toppers. Whether it's decorating desserts, fruit bowls, or using them as photo props, these supplies are sure to spark joy and laughter. But wait, there's more. These party supplies aren't just for birthdays. They're perfect for baby showers, summer parties, and any indoor or outdoor occasion where you want to add a festive touch. Looking to enhance your party experience even further? Check out these related products that perfectly complement the taimowei birthday party supplies. From themed decorations to balloons, we've got everything you need to take your celebration to the next level. So, why settle for an ordinary party when you can make it extraordinary with taimowei? Head to the link in the description to get your hands on these fantastic birthday party supplies today. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and party planning tips. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.